In an era of rapid technological advancements, artificial intelligence, AI, is ushering in a new generation of automation, altering industries, and reshaping the labor market. According to investment bank Goldman Sachs, AI can potentially displace millions of full-time jobs, ushering in a seismic shift that puts the fundamental underpinnings of labor as we know it to the test. However, amid the profound changes AI brings, there exists a captivating revelation. There are certain roles that AI struggles to replicate. Can AI indeed encompass all facets of human labor? Is there a realm where the human touch still reigns supreme? As we delve into this exploration, prepare to uncover the remarkable truth about the jobs that continue to defy AI's mastery. By the end of this journey, you'll be equipped with insights into the exceptional roles that remain beyond AI's grasp, at least in the current state of technology. Let's embark on this enlightening odyssey together. Number 7. Masters of the digital universe. System architects in a world where technology forms the backbone of modern civilization. System architects emerge as the architects of the digital realm. Their role is akin to that of orchestrators, designing, configuring, and optimizing the intricate computer and networking systems that enable our interconnected lives. With expertise spanning infrastructure, software, applications, and network architecture, system architects craft cohesive ecosystems that power our digital interactions. While AI has made considerable advancements in management and system optimization, the role of a system architect still needs to be improved. System architects blend technical prowess with business acumen, making informed decisions that align with an organization's goals. Their critical thinking capabilities and comprehensive understanding enable them to tackle complex challenges, ensuring scalability, security, reliability, and peak performance. Essentially, they shape the digital landscapes we navigate, ensuring the seamless interaction of software and hardware for a harmonious digital experience. Number 6. Leaders of the pack. Directors, managers, and CEOs. In the corporate arena, leadership is more than a title. It's a symphony of strategic insight, emotional intelligence, and interpersonal finesse. Directors, managers, and CEOs embody leadership, guiding organizations through complex challenges and inspiring teams to achieve greatness. While AI can churn out data-driven insights, it needs the nuanced understanding of human dynamics that defines effective leadership. Leaders aren't just managers but architects of organizational culture, driving innovation and fostering a sense of purpose within their teams. A CEO, for instance, isn't just responsible for financial success. They're the custodians of the company's mission and values, ensuring alignment throughout the organization. Leadership involves optimizing processes, igniting passion, nurturing talent, and forging human connections. The complexities of human behavior, the art of collaboration, and the intuition required to navigate intricate decisions render these leadership roles invulnerable to the sweep of AI. Number 5. Weaving the web of perception. PR managers. In an age of information overload, public perception becomes a delicate tapestry shaped by the hands of PR managers. These skilled professionals wield the power to shape a company's image, reputation, and public narrative. As technology accelerates communication, PR managers navigate diverse audiences, leveraging various communication channels to establish authentic connections. Public relations core lies in relationship building, which hinges on genuine human interaction and connection. While AI can automate specific communication processes, it falls short of evoking emotions, generating buzz, and forming sincere relationships. PR managers possess the expertise to understand cultural nuances, tailor messages to resonate with specific demographics, and strategically manage crises. Their role extends beyond information dissemination. They curate narratives, build bridges, and nurture trust in ways algorithms cannot replicate. Number 4. Bridging humanity and technology. AI coaches. The convergence of AI and human expertise has given birth to AI coaching, a novel approach that marries technology with the insights of human coaches. AI coaching offers data-driven insights and personalized recommendations to assist individuals in achieving their goals. However, there's an enigma at play: the human coach. AI coaches need more emotional intelligence and intuition to to forge authentic client connections. Coaching is more than offering guidance. It's about building trust, empathy, and rapport. Qualities AI struggles to replicate genuinely. Human coaches delve into individual motivations, challenges, and aspirations, providing guidance that considers the intricate nuances of human experience. They navigate the emotional landscape, decipher nonverbal cues, and uncover underlying motivations, offering holistic support beyond data-driven recommendations. The depth of human connection and understanding that human coaches provide is a testament to the distinct value they bring to the coaching relationship. Number 3. Spark in the circuit. Electricians amid the digital transformation. Electricians hold a pivotal role in maintaining the functionality and safety of electrical systems. These experts specialize in installing, maintaining, and repairing electrical components, leveraging their understanding of electrical principles to prevent hazards and ensure optimal performance. While intelligent technologies and automation have streamlined specific electrical processes, the role of an electrician remains indispensable. Electricians possess specialized knowledge in reading blueprints, interpreting electrical codes, and planning intricate wiring layouts. Their hands-on skills are essential in managing complex tasks, troubleshooting complicated systems, and ensuring compliance with safety regulations. Electricians conduct routine inspections, identify potential risks, and address issues before they escalate. Electricians serve as guardians in a realm where electrical failures can have catastrophic consequences, upholding safety, functionality, and reliability. Number 2. Guardians of the human element. HR managers' human resources are the nucleus of every organization. While AI has introduced efficiencies in specific HR processes, the intricacies of human behavior, relationships, and culture necessitate the human touch. HR managers are pivotal in managing employee relations, detecting signs of discontent, and cultivating a motivated workforce. Their contribution goes beyond data analysis. They can assess interpersonal dynamics, soft skills, and cultural fit, aspects that defy quantification and programming into AI algorithms. HR managers infuse the hiring process with a human touch, discerning qualities that make an individual a cultural fit for an organization. Their emotional intelligence and intuition enable them to navigate the subtleties of human interaction while mediating conflicts and fostering collaboration. HR managers' role encompasses understanding people and managing processes, rendering their involvement vital in creating a thriving work environment. Number 1. Maestros of storytelling. Marketing managers in the digital age. Marketing is an evolving realm where creativity, strategy, and human connection converge. Marketing managers are the architects behind impactful campaigns, wielding a profound understanding of consumer behavior and market trends. While AI excels at data analysis and prediction, it fails to replicate the magic of human creativity and emotional resonance. Marketing is an art that hinges on comprehending human desires, motivations, and aspirations. Marketing managers craft narratives that resonate personally, evoking emotions and driving engagement. They possess the power to forge connections beyond rationality, building brand loyalty and fostering sales through emotional bonds. Marketing isn't merely a numbers game. It's about inspiring action through stories that resonate with the human soul. Conclusion. As AI continues its relentless march, transforming industries and altering paradigms, specific roles are beacons of human ingenuity, empathy, and expertise. System architects, leaders, PR managers, AI coaches, electricians, HR managers, and marketing managers embody the intricate interplay between human insight and technological innovation. These roles remind us that while AI can automate processes, it cannot replicate the essence of human connection, creativity, and understanding. They form an ecosystem where the human touch and technological progress coexist.